Hello, this is Mr. Wynn, and this video is over the basics of geometry, namely vocabulary and notation. So there are three undefined terms. They are point, line, and plane. You should have seen these three in Algebra 1. You've graphed on the XY coordinate plane. You know, point is the dot on there, and line goes on forever both directions. These are undefined terms because they're just descriptions and examples. We use them to define other things. Anyways, a point is just a location. It has no shape or size. A line is a set of points extending forever both directions, and straight of course. It has no thickness or width. And then a plane is a flat surface made of points extending forever in all directions and has no thickness. One fact is there's exactly one line through any 2 points. So you have 2 dots, you connect them, keep going forever. There's exactly one line, can't make anything else. And for a fact for planes, there's exactly one plane through any 3 points not on the same line. Next we have some notation. For a point, here's a picture, point A. We just use one capital letter, so you literally just call this point A. For a line, you need 2 capital letters representing 2 points on the line. Or you could also use the lowercase script letter. So at the side here, there's a T, you can call this line T. Or you can call it line MP. Or you can put MP with the line symbol above it, so we don't have to write the word line. Or you can reverse the order. We can say line PM, or you can write PM with the line with the arrows above. Make sure you have the arrows, because the arrows means it goes on forever. For planes, we need 3 capital letters representing 3 points, but they cannot be on the same line. Or we can also use capitalized script letter. So here, K is in the corner, so plane K. Or you can call this plane BCD, or plane CDB, or plane DBC, DCB, any order you want. Alright, some other vocabulary. Collinear. Collinear are points that share the same line. So for example, right here, points, alright, let's move this out of the way. Point V, W, and Y. V, W, and Y all on the same line. They're on this line N. So you can say they're on line XW, or line YW, or YV, or XY. Alright, non-collinear points do not share the same line. So for this one, point Z, X, and W. Here's Z, it's on the side over here by itself. Then here's X, and here's W. They're non-collinear. X and W are on the same line, but Z is not on that line at all. So you cannot connect all three with a single line. Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. Right here we see plane P. You can say Z, Y, and V. Z, Y, V are all coplanar. They're all on this flat surface P. And of course we have non-coplanar, and those points do not lie on the same plane. So if you look at the picture, the only thing that's not on plane P seems to be point T. So I'd say point T and any other two are non-coplanar because point T is above the plane, not inside it. Last slide. Intersections. If two different lines intersect, they will always intersect at a point. For example, here's line L and line M. They cross or intersect at point P. So line L and line M intersect at point P. Now there are special cases. Two lines can also never intersect, such as if they're parallel or skew. And skew just means non-coplanar. Alright, so if they intersect, it will be a point. If they don't intersect, then it's probably because they're parallel. And then if the lines are the same, they will intersect everywhere. They're on top of each other overlapping. If two different planes intersect, they'll always intersect at a line. For example, here's plane B going vertical and plane A going horizontal. They touch in this middle part, but remember it goes on forever, so it's just going to be a whole line. So plane A and plane B intersect at line R. Now they also could never intersect, so two planes could also never intersect if they were parallel. And if the planes are the same, which could lie on top of each other, then they'll intersect everywhere. Alright, then we have two special cases. If we have a line and a plane intersection, there's two scenarios. They intersect at a single point if the line goes through the plane. For example, in this picture, we have plane P and line R. Well, line R pierces through plane P at this point X. So line R and plane P intersect at point X. And they intersect everywhere if the line is lying inside the plane. So here's plane P. Notice this is line N. Line N and plane P intersect everywhere on line N. So at every point of line N, that's what I should say. And that's it for the vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Make sure you ask any questions. See you later. Bye.